Want to know how to use Asana and get up to speed quickly? This tutorial will walk you through the essentials, showing you how to navigate Asana for maximum productivity, whether you're managing a small team or large projects. Stick with me till the end, and I'll also share a little known trick that will save you hours every week. Plus, if you want to get started with Asana for free, check out the first link in the description for exclusive bonuses. First off, Asana is a powerful tool that helps teams organize tasks, track work, and collaborate smoothly. It's used for project management, but is flexible enough to adapt to different needs, like tracking personal projects or organizing your day-to-day tasks. The first thing you'll want to do is create a project. It's simple, just click the Create Project button. You can start with a blank project or use one of Asana's templates to get things rolling faster. Once your project is set, you can create tasks. Tasks are individual items that need to be completed within the project. Next thing, tasks are where the magic happens. To create a task, just click the Add Task button, give it a title, and hit Enter. You can assign tasks to team members, set due dates, and add details like attachments or notes. One new feature is the ability to create recurring tasks, so you never forget a regular deadline. The third thing to know is about the layout. Asana gives you three main views: List, Board, and Calendar. The List view shows tasks in a straightforward list format. The Board view is like a digital Kanban board where you can drag and drop tasks between columns. And the Calendar view lets you see your tasks in a calendar format, perfect for tracking deadlines. Now, let's talk about collaborating. One of Asana's strengths is communication. You can comment directly on tasks, tag team members, and even have conversations within specific projects. This helps you stay on the same page with everyone working on the project, even if you're working remotely. The fifth thing is integrations. Asana works seamlessly with a variety of tools like Google Drive, Slack, and Dropbox. These integrations make it easy to connect your tasks with the tools you're already using and keep everything in sync. Next up, let's look at custom fields. If you need to track specific details beyond what Asana offers by default, you can create custom fields for your tasks. This is especially useful if you're tracking project stages, budgets, or priorities. The seventh thing is reporting. Asana gives you easy-to-read reports to track progress and pinpoint roadblocks. You can create custom reports based on various criteria, like the status of tasks or who's completing the most work. At the end of the day, Asana is about making your life easier. Whether you're tracking projects or personal goals, it's a tool that helps you stay organized and keep everything in one place. Before I wrap up, remember that if you want to get started with Asana, you can use this software for free through the link below, and you'll also get some exclusive bonuses that will help you hit the ground running. That's it for this quick tutorial. Keep your projects organized, collaborate more effectively, and make the most of Asana. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for your exclusive free trial. Take advantage of it today.